Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix brightness not changing issue in Windows 11. So the first step is that you need to repair the corrupt system file. For that you will just go to the command prompt, open the command prompt, run as administrator, click yes, and after that you will type the command sfc space backslash scan now, and you need to press enter, and this command is going to repair the corrupt system file, and it will take some time. Just be patient and wait until this is 100% done. We are done with this command. The scan has completed. So after this step, what you need to do, you need to first uninstall your graphic drivers and then reinstall it again. For that you will go to the device manager, and go over here. So we are going to look at these two drivers. So the first one is the monitor driver, integrated monitor, and the second one is this one, display adapter. So I'm going to uninstall these two drivers and I will restart my computer. So the moment my computer will go in the restart state, it will install the driver again. So I will see you after the restart. So I've done the restart and the drivers have been installed. So if the issue is still there, if this issue is not fixed, what you can do is go to check for updates. You need to update your window. So, and you need to click check for updates. After this is done, you need to restart your computer and hopefully the issue will be fixed. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.